Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy. And look where we're at today. We're in Lily's amazing kitchen. Hi, Chef Lily.
Hi, Andy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm getting ready to cook something delicious.
Well, look, I see a lot of kitchen tools on the table. A spatula to flip, flip, flip. A big spoon to stir, stir, stir. A big bowl and a pan to cook on. So, what's on the menu today, Chef Lily?
I'm making pancakes. Yummy, fluffy, delicious pancakes. They're my favorite thing to build in the kitchen. But first, let's get our kitchen muscles ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's start by tapping our hands like we're cracking an egg. Tap, tap, tap.
And now, let's move our arms in a circle like we're stirring the pancake mix. Stir, stir, stir.
And finally, let's jump up like we're flipping a pancake. Flip, flip, flip.
Great job, handy helpers. Our muscles are all warmed up and ready to cook.
Okay, let me grab my trusty pan. Uh-oh. Oh, the handle on my favorite pan is broken. Andy, can we fix it?
Don't worry, Lily. We're here to fix it, build it, and learn it together. I have all the tools I need at my workshop to make this as good as new. Handy helpers, if you want to help me fix Lily's pancake pan, press that thumbs up button. Great! Follow me to my workshop. We'll be right back, Lily. All right, we're back in the workshop. Time to use our tools to fix this pan. Time to gear up and fix it up. Ready! First, I need to use my magnifying glass to get a closer look, see what's wrong. I see the problem. The screw that was holding the handle on must have fallen off. This is a simple fix. I have a spare screw right here. So we have the pan, the handle, and a screw. Handy helpers, here's a question for you. What tool do we need to fix the pan? That's right, a screwdriver. A screwdriver helps us turn the screw. Let's get this handle back on nice and tight. There, it's fixed, and it's stronger than ever. Come on, handy helpers, follow me back to Lily's kitchen. Here's your pan, stronger than ever.
Oh, goodness, you fixed my pan. Thanks so much, Andy. Now we're ready to build our pancakes.
Well, I'm ready to learn, Chef Lily.
Okay, handy helpers. We are building our pancake batter. And we have our flour, an egg, and our secret ingredient, milk. First, we're going to pour in our flour. Next, we're going to crack our egg. Handy helpers, do you know what shape an egg is? That's right, an oval. And finally, we're going to pour in our milk slowly. And now we stir, stir, stir. Andy, can you use our whisk to help stir, stir, stir?
Sure thing. Stir, stir, stir.
Perfect. Now it's time for the cooking. We'll take the pancake batter and put it in just like this. We can even make fun shapes. Today, we'll make a circle pancake. Now, we wait for the bubbles to appear and pop. Once they pop, we know that it's time to flip the pancake. Okay, Andy, can you take that spatula and show us how to flip the pancake?
Sure thing. 1, 2, 3, flip. Perfect.
Now we just let the pancake cook a little bit longer before we serve it up. All done. Let's grab our plate and flip our pancake on.
Looks amazing, Lily. I'm so excited I have my fork and knife ready. Only one last step. Maple syrup. We just have to pour this over the top.
Wow, Andy.
There.
You're so prepared. Go ahead and take the first bite.
Delicious, Lily. Great job, Chef Lily.
And great job, Andy, for fixing my pan. Wow, we learned so much today. We learned how to fix our pan, and we used all of our kitchen tools to make the yummy pancake.
That's right. And helpers, ask your grown-ups if you want to make these pancakes at home. We love cooking and fixing with you. Until next time, at Andy's Workshop.
And in Lily's kitchen,
We fix it, build it, and learn it together.
See you next time.